So my Beekeeper just showed up. And he's driving a truck that he's never, well, I've never seen him drive out here before. Hey, buddy. Anyways, it's not a classic truck, but it will be. The elusive, legendary, highly coveted Dodge Ram TRX at the classic truck ranch, driven by the Beekeeper, tending to the bees. Can I coerce him into showing us the power of the TRX and cutting loose a little bit? I'm willing to give up some pasture for the TRX. Look at it. It's sitting amongst all of the classic trucks. One of these objects doesn't belong here. I've never seen one with that paint treatment. I didn't know you had a TRX. Good to see you.
I've had it for a while.
Do you mind me filming it? You know I have a YouTube channel, right? Well, we're stuck on 73,000 subscribers, and I'm trying to get to 100,000.
Go for it.
I think that's, I have a camera on the front of my quad, and I got it when you were smoking it out, and these trucks are super popular. How many horsepower?
707.
Yeah. Have you ever put your foot in it?
Here and there a little bit, nothing too serious.
Yeah. I wouldn't be able to restrain myself. I'd have to uncork it one time.
Just, you know, on the Autobahn, hauling ass.
Well, yeah, like I said, here and there with the launch control and everything, but...
Do you mind if when you leave, if I just get a shot of you kind of going down to the stop sign?
No, that's fine.
Maybe you could make it play a little music. I know you got equipment and stuff in there, and you can't. Because I was going to ask you to go cut loose in my pasture with it. But you can't do that.
With the equipment and everything in the
yeah, I understand.
got a dog inside, so don't want to do it with that. But
All right, maybe you could straight line, just kind of give it a little. Yeah. What was that you were doing with the beast today, Vlad?
Just medicating smoke. It's smoke-based
Looked like they were falling asleep. I think I had one fall out of the sky onto me.
They kind of smoke calms them down.
Oh, that's good.
But right now it's kind of, they were in their hive, so it kind of aggravated them, so they started coming out.
How are they doing out here this year?
So far this location's doing pretty good.
Good.
Yeah.
Glad to hear it.
See, usually it's late winter is where we see what
we'll have a little less debris scattered around now that my shop's done. A lot of these parts trucks are going to get taken apart.
Nice.
We're going to try to clean it up a little more, and got our house in. We're getting somewhere finally.
Really well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually picked up my own place over here not too far away too in Malta.
Oh yeah? Good. Well, we're neighbors then.
Yep.
Where at?
Malino, right off the Milky Creek over there. So you got them all out here.
Yeah, we used to have the chicken farm down there.
So I'm right there also. So.
By the chicken farm?
No.
Oh.
Chicken farm's probably further down past me. I'm just right off pretty much the highway almost. Like,
Oh.
I can hear the highway from my location.
213. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's a beautiful truck. I don't think I've seen one with that paint treatment before.
It's a wrap, so they just custom whatever I wanted.
Cool. That is a beautiful machine, sir. Take care of it.
Puppy's getting aggravated. Taking too long. Hey.
Oh, look at that. Is that a lab?
It's a Cane Corso.
Oh, Cane Corso. Oh, if my wife was here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. What's his name?
I just picked him up for my folks. So I think they got a name.
Beautiful.
So I'm waiting for my dad to name it because
Cane Corso. Jamie loves those. My wife.
Needs a dog at his location because
we need a dog at our location.
Actually had a bobcat not too far away running.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it popped up on one of our cameras.
Hi.
Somebody had a video of a bobcat running through their yard, probably like 5 minutes out from my location.
You're beautiful. You are beautiful.
And the bobcat will take the goats and everything.
Yeah, they're relentless. Yeah.
But once this guy grows up, then shouldn't be a problem.
Look how clumsy he is. His feet are too big. Yeah, that'll definitely be a help. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You can stay here. You can stay. Yeah, you can stay right here. Yeah, you're welcome. My little Yorkie's gonna get mad. Beautiful animal.
My brother has a small dog too, same thing. Started barking at him. I'm like, this dog is bigger than you and you're fully grown. This is a puppy.
Yeah, we want to get a big dog, but get it while it's a puppy so she can get used to it. She needs some protection out here.
Yeah,
she's small.
Like I said,
yeah.
my folks' place has a bobcat, and who knows what's running around here.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna head out.
All right.
I got more locations to get.
Oh, good to see you, Vlad. I'll let you out when you get down there so you don't have to get out of your truck. I love it. The Beekeeper. Don't go messing with the Beekeeper or you'll get stung.
It's just a bee sting.
I'm fine. It's just a bee sting.
That was great. I'd say the Beekeeper's a pretty cool guy. Thanks, Vlad.